Good wishes, dear students. Today we will discuss something about question 1, how to solve question 1, because as you know that in exam 5 question comes and we have to justify every questions and their sub parts equally to score good numbers. Now here in question 1, that is a composition writing, consists of 5 subtitles and students have to choose their own topic according to their choice in which they are comfortable and in which they can impress the examiner. So every students are blessed with different types of intelligence. Here we have to keep in our mind that you choose that topic which suits you most or in which you are most comfortable, because in question 1 as 5 subtitles are there or 5 choices are there, you have to pick one option in which you are more comfortable and in which you can write in a very impressive way. Here in this composition writing, you have to write in 350 to 400 words and maximum time you have to give 30 to 35 minutes in this, because it carries 20 to 25 numbers, so you have to focus on composition writing, and in composition writing you need practice. Class 10th students are in a good position because they have at least 9th class textbook, so you can practice that textbook also, because there practice papers are given, 15 practice papers are given. So daily you have to practice at least 1 or 2 questions from practice workbook, and eventually you will get you will be able to get in a good position to able to solve all these questions properly. Now in this question 1, A part is there. Describe a person who according to you has made immense contribution to rural development in India. Now this particular question is a fact based question. Student who has good knowledge of what is happening around him, they can attempt this question, because this is fact based question. You have to pick one personality who has contributed most in the development of rural areas. In B question, B part, imagine that there was a road accident in your colony. Describe the scene of the accident and what you did to help the injured. Now this question comprises imaginative skill. The student who has great imaginative skill, they can attempt this question. So these two sub parts I am giving you to practice at home. Those who are not having their books, or at least they are having 9th class book, they can also practice from that 9th class book, and these two topics I am giving it to you. Now other questions and how to write properly these two sub parts I will make you understand in second part. Okay students, thank you.